Hey, man, we back at it, boys. Back at it. What y'all doing today, man? I'm gonna show you, man. We got a club car here. I'm gonna show you a little problem that always on these motors. Jerry, what motor is this? Kohler or the Subaru? See how good you are.
I didn't see Kohler, so I'm guessing it's a Subaru.
Alright. He says it's a Subaru.
I was wrong. I see Kohler on the gas on the side over here.
I'm about to say you can tell by the dipstick. Kohler's got a dipstick like that. Subaru's got the dipstick that goes straight down. But they're common for leaking. And actually, you can tell by the year. 15 to 20 was Subaru. 21 another Kohler. You can see right here. They're bad for leaking that, but they're bad for leaking out of this lawnmower plug here. I don't know why they even got this crap, man. You don't need it. You don't take the oil back here. I don't know why they didn't just put a cap in it to cap it off. That's a common problem. But that was tight. But the main problem is right there. There's a rubber grommet that is a pain in the ass to get to.
This?
Pull that off.
Completely?
No, just move it farther back. All right. Let's see. Move it that way, son.
Fresh oil.
You can tell where it's been leaking at around it because it's blowing out fresh, clean, the rest of it is dirty. But what we're going to do is take some silicone, because what it is, if you look at it now.
Do you need to get on my side?
Let's see. That rubber, they're bad for that rubber grommet. Like that, you see how far it's out? You take it, and it's got to be pushed back in there. You got to push it in and get some silicone. And what we're going to do is take some silicone, we're going to pull it out, and then put some silicone in it and push it back into the RTV or something. We use some red for high temp. And what that is, man, that's the oil pressure sensor. But the only drawback about it is the only way you can change it is if you have to tear the motor down because it bolts from the inside of the engine. All right, man, I just wanted to show you, man, on Kohler, what they're known for. Also, I thought the club car had got away from this, but on the Kohler now, always shake these side cover bolts, man, because they're bad for backing out. Jerry, hand me a ratchet, buddy.
With middle drive?
Yeah, 3/8. These are like 10 millimeters. While you're doing your maintenance on your golf cart, man, check these. Make sure everyone's there. Yep.
You get it?
Yep, because they're bad for blowing it out. I thought when they left the Kawasaki motor, man, that they got away from this. But it didn't. Let me see how I can turn this in here.
I think I'm going to go buy some silicone.
Alright, can't get that one on there. Let me grab a wrench here.
Red or black, then what do I need to buy?
Alright, that's tight. So, alright, man, always check and make sure, man. Because it's always the ones at the top. That one is bad for this, that one, and that one. These three here, and then right here. And what it is, man, I don't know why they haven't fixed it yet. If you look at it, you see the gap? You see the gap they have between that one and that one? That's a wide gap compared to that one and that one. And they're bad for blowing out right there because they hold a lot of crankcase pressure. So they're bad for doing that, man. All right, man, I just want to show y'all a couple tips, man, on these Kohler engines.